have a lot of seedlings going, so it's really exciting, and every day we just keep starting more. Now that some are popped up and out of their little mini germination chambers, I'm gonna go ahead and bring some outside to the greenhouse and take a look at some of the other stuff out there for watering. I'm transporting the ones that are a little bit bigger out to the greenhouse, and we're using a paper bag, so that way they don't get too cold out there.
Yep,
it's pretty chilly.
Still chilly out there. And we got our new table yesterday, so I got it put together.
And it only took me 4 years to pick one out.
But it looks amazing. We love it.
Yeah.
Another shipment going out to the greenhouse.
Yep, it gives me more room then. Because every week we seed another variety, and so yeah, let's get going. We are ready for transport.
Alright, let's get them out there.
Now I gotta put some shoes and coat on. I'm cold too. Gotta protect myself.
So here's some of the other ones. Everything looks like it's doing good over here.
Doing really good, yeah. So this is what they look like when we bring them out. And this is what they look like when they've been out here for a few days.
Well, the girls want us to bring in some beans for them, so we'll check out the situation over here with the beans. It looks like we got some good ones.
Oh yeah. Kind of nice to be able to pick your own produce, especially with all this hype with the coronavirus, and you know, pretty much having to be quarantined to your home pretty much right now, so.
It does help, yeah. I went to the grocery yesterday, but of course there were, you know, a couple things I forgot and things we could see ourselves needing in the not too distant future, so it's nice to have some stuff in here.
Yeah, definitely. So today we're gonna also start microgreens.
Yes.
The peas are just starting to get their flower too, so this is really exciting for us because this is our #1 favorite food to eat out of the garden.
Yep, so we'll have that pretty soon. So then the potatoes, they look like they are, do you think they're ready to pick or?
Nope, so they're falling down, and then once they're all yellow, I wait till they're all yellow, and then I give them even 1 more week, and then we dig.
Got it, cool. Everything is living life to the fullest in here.
Look at this guy. We got a pickle coming.
Yeah.
Or cucumber.
Yep, it's getting big.
And there's another little one right here. And then all of these flowers will be some too.
Yeah. Yeah, everything accumulates over here.
Yeah, it's the direction of the winds. We're gonna have to blow that area, otherwise all that debris ends up in the greenhouse.
Yep. Playing with the calico critters, or the woodsies.
I'm playing with calico critters and woodsies. This is a calico critter, this is a woodsie.
Sela's rinsing some beans. Go under the water like this and just rinse them.
Okay.
Okay, and then you just throw them up there. There you go.
You're good?
Mama, can I finish this?
No, I don't want any. I'm good now.
I'll get the grow lights from the basement because we're going to start getting some microgreens growing.
Yeah.
And I think we were looking around to see what we have for medicine in the house and vitamins, and it's nice to know that we can grow microgreens within a matter of a couple of days, and they're super healthy. And
yeah, super good for you.
Alright, here come the grow lights. They're back for the 2020 growing season. Should we dust her off and
dust, clean, and then we'll have to check the lights.
Okay, do we need to clean?
Yeah, I would just with water.
Okay.
You getting fast food sale? All right, each of you girls Okay. And then Selah, that's the water bottle. Just water we're using. So spray the water in the tray and then use your towel to clean it up. You each have your own. That way there's no fighting.
Yeah.
I'm standing and then watch. I'm just like pressing it and it just gets everywhere. Watch me, Selah. Look at me. I'm just like running around, spraying it, okay? Your turn. Then try doing that. You're gonna get more water on there. Cause you're just still like really.
And look at little Fuzzy over there, just chilling.
Chilling.
Hey, Fuzzy. Fuzzy's probably watching like, what the heck are they doing?
I'm done.
Good job, Lana. Looks great.
All the bulbs work. We did replace a couple last year, so.
Yeah, we did. So maybe that helped.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's really nice.
You got me wet.
Lana, you sprayed it right in her face.
Oh, what? I did. I did?
All right, we're getting all the trays set up, all the growing pads, and these are all of our seeds here.
Yep. We love using these trays with the inserts, and we get this on Amazon. We'll throw those in the description of this video, along with the hemp pads. We always go ahead and soak them first, and then we put them in here, and we'll show you what we do.
The mustard seed, I like those. You got the broccoli for microgreens, the mild micro mix, more mustard, wasabi, kale, Ms. America.
So we have them nicely soaked,
Yeah.
and we just go ahead and place them in the squares.
Can I do one?
Yep. So lift it up out of here. Let's get those hanging. There.
Probably wring it out a little bit. I don't
Nope.
think they need to be.
Let it be
yeah.
wet. You want it nice and wet for those seeds to germinate. There you go. Good job.
It's like a carpet.
Like that.
Wet carpet. All right, we got them in there. Now we'll get them seeded. So which ones should we do
I'm
first?
gonna do the mild microgreen mix.
All right, there's our seeds.
You can feel it.
Oh, feels good.
I'll seed the first one so you can see what I'm doing, okay, Selah? And then you can help with the next one, all right? So all we're gonna do is make sure that all of the edges are covered so they're not falling outside of the hemp pads, and then we just go like this. You could use like a herb shaker, but we just go like this. Sprinkle them in there. And I always go a little heavier, just that way we have a nice thick patch of microgreens. You wanna do the next one? Sprinkle them in there just like if you're decorating cookies with sprinkles. Only imagine this is gonna be a lot of good healthy food when they come up. Jason wants to partake too.
Join in on the fun.
Daddy, try one of these. They're not poison. I tried one. Try one.
Looking good. Selah's is gonna be side heavy.
Yeah.
Need a little more in the bare area, Selah, like right in here, okay?
Okay.
There. Now that we've got them sprinkled in, we're just gonna go ahead and mist them. We mist the seeds really well. Now that they're wet, we're gonna bring them over to the grow light. And what we're gonna do is turn the light off. And we're going to cover them.
We're gonna put them to sleep.
Yep. So they germinate well when they're dark. You check them every day, you give them a little spritzing every day, and once you start seeing them pop, then you pop off the top, turn the light on, and you're in business.
Yep.
And you can put anything over top of them. It doesn't have to be another tray.
Just so they don't get light.
Just anything is fine. I also want to point out too, what I love about these is that when you set the actual insert into the tray, there's still room here, as you can see, so they're not just sitting in water. The roots end up becoming elevated off of that water, so they're almost being watered just from the bottom with their roots, but they're not just sitting in it.
Yeah,
Then
want
it
to keep
just-
some air beneath it.
Yes, and that's key. You could just grow them in the tray, but then they do have these which lifts the liner up off of it. But what I would do is either put straws or skewers, or even if you find an old branch outside, break it up into pieces, put it on the bottom. So that way you're lifting it up off of the bottom and it's not just sitting in saturated wetness. Now we want to make sure we know what it is, so we're actually going to put the tag right on the bottom. And we like using painter's tape because painter's tape is really easy to come off, so you can reuse these trays again once you're done. Uh-oh. Jason's getting sucked into the coronavirus on TV again. And I have bad news, hon. It's snowing outside.
Oh.
I know. Well, we got all of our microgreens seeded in here. We'll spritz and check them daily.